The Clarke CL300M metal cutting lathe is a superb precision mini lathe ideal for model and professional engineers. It is manufactured with a solid cast iron bed and has many features usually found on machines twice its size and price. Using the power feed, both left and right hand imperial screw cutting can be achieved, and a highly popular metric conversion kit is available for metric threads. The CL300M saddle carries the cross slide, onto which is mounted the compound miter slide with the 4-way tool post. This allows intricate and delicate operations to be performed with manual feed or automatically by the lead screw. The lathe comes complete with a gear change kit and the spanners and hex keys needed for setting up. The CL300M is capable of turning up to a maximum diameter of 180 mm and an overall length of 300 mm between centers. It is further capable of producing short tapers. The 300-watt 230-volt single-phase electric motor provides a direct drive to the spindle via an internal tooth-type belt. The spindle speed is variable from 100 to 2,500 RPM and is regulated by the speed control knob located on the main control panel. An overload indicator will light up to indicate if excessive strain is placed on the motor. Drive controls include a high-low range lever, a forward, off, reverse switch, and a prominent emergency stop button. The spindle is provided with an internal number 3 Morse taper to accommodate a center which can be used with a faceplate or turning clamp. The spindle also has a 20mm bore for feeding bar stock. Other features include a Splashguard and Undertray. The self-centering 3-jaw 80mm chuck is mounted on the spindle flange and can be simply changed by removing 3 securing nuts. When using the chuck guard is an essential safety component and is mounted to the headstock. 3 external jaws are also supplied, which extend the capacity of the chuck. The spindle has 6 holes drilled in its flange to accommodate a range of fixtures, including a faceplate, 4-jaw chuck, and more. There are many optional Clarke extras available to upgrade your machine to suit your individual needs. These include turning sets, like this Clarke CHT568 38-piece carbide tip set, cutting tools, revolving and headstock centers, tailstock chuck, fixed and moving steadies, 4-jaw independent chuck, faceplate, metric conversion kit, and a digital spindle speed display. The superb precision Clarke CL300M metal cutting lathe will give you many years of accurate service.